Getting a loan as a student can be a challenging and overwhelming process. But with the right guidance, you can navigate it with ease. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to get a loan as a student. First, determine how much you need to borrow. Calculate your total expenses, including tuition, room and board, books, and living expenses. Consider your income, savings, and any scholarships or grants you may receive. This will give you an idea of how much you need to borrow. Next, explore your loan options. There are two main types of loans: federal loans and private loans. Federal loans are offered by the government and have fixed interest rates and flexible repayment terms. Private loans are offered by banks, credit unions, and other lenders, and have variable interest rates and stricter repayment terms. To apply for a federal loan, you will need to complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. This form will determine your eligibility for federal loans and other types of financial aid. You can complete the FAFSA online or by mail. Once you have completed the FAFSA, you will receive a student aid report, which will outline your eligibility for federal loans. Review this report carefully and follow the instructions to accept or decline your loan offer. If you need to borrow more than the federal loan limit, you may consider a private loan. To apply for a private loan, you will need to contact a lender directly and provide financial information, such as your credit score and income. Private loans often require a co-signer, such as a parent or guardian. When comparing loan options, consider the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Look for loans with low interest rates and flexible repayment terms also. Consider the total cost of the loan, including any fees or charges. Finally, make sure you understand the repayment terms of your loan. Federal loans have a 6-month grace period after graduation, while private loans may have stricter repayment terms. Create a budget and plan to make timely payments to avoid defaulting on your loan. In conclusion, getting a loan as a student requires careful planning and research. By understanding your loan options, completing the FAFSA, and comparing loan terms, you can make an informed decision and secure the funding you need to achieve your educational goals. Remember to borrow wisely and only borrow what you need, and make timely payments to avoid defaulting on your loan.